Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to promote a drop shipping store from Pinterest. Let's get started. If you want to drive traffic to your website, you need to use your social media accounts to show your target audiences that you're a brand that they can trust. Build your online presence so that people can see that your business is legit. On Pinterest, you must optimize your business profile, claim your website, apply for a verified merchant program, apply for rich pins, and create more content to show your profile visitors that your brand can be trusted and they can learn something from you. So that when they see one of your pins promoting your drop shipping store and find products that they want to purchase, they are guaranteed to receive the products. Your social media presence will help you promote your drop shipping store for you. Pinterest demographics is a great area to tap into. Millions of Pinterest users are looking for items to shop on Pinterest. It's a platform where you can increase website traffic. If your business website is not on Pinterest yet, then you're missing out on a great opportunity that may increase your business sales. To start promoting a drop shipping store from Pinterest, you need to let your drop shipping store be known to your target audiences. People won't discover your brand if you don't promote your products through your Pinterest boards and pins. First, create relevant Pinterest boards for your drop shipping store. A great way to promote your drop shipping store is by using Pinterest boards. Your target audiences can discover your boards when they search for a keyword that matches your boards. Use your boards to promote a lifestyle and not just the brand. Doing this will allow people to see your pins at a personal level. You can create multiple boards to reflect your drop shipping store's products. Also, you don't have to create a new pin for all of your products. You can choose to curate pins from other Pinterest owners. This will give you more audience reach. Then create pins that will redirect people to the products on your drop shipping store. Make sure that you have images on your drop shipping store that you can use and share on your Pinterest business account. People won't be able to save pictures from your store if you don't create one, and make sure to have high quality photos that can grab people's attention. If you have a drop shipping store up and running with all the products you can sell online, go to your drop shipping store and choose a product that you can pin. You may notice that you can share this item on Pinterest and save it on your boards. You can save those products from the products you tagged board, which is a protected board. Protected boards are not shown on your profile page, but anyone who has the link to those products inside that board can view them. People buy things from the branding or lifestyle of the products it represents. Your drop shipping store can benefit from the traffic that will come from Pinterest and start making sales. You can get a lot of traffic on Pinterest to your drop shipping store once you've started creating pins for the products from your store. Or you can save images as pins from your website and save it on the boards on your Pinterest profile. Now that you know how to promote a drop shipping store from Pinterest, we can now proceed to the next chapter, growing your Pinterest. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.